Unleash your online potential directly from your pocket with this guide to building a Wix website on your mobile. First things first, download the Wix mobile app from your device's app store once installed. Open it up. You'll need to either sign in with your existing Wix account or create a new one. It's a quick and easy process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. After signing in, you'll see an option to create a new site. Tap that. Wix will then ask you what kind of website you want to create. Browse through the categories and select the one that best fits your needs, whether it's for a business, a blog, a portfolio, or something else entirely. Now, here's where the magic happens. Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, will guide you answer a few simple questions about your business or purpose, what you want to include, and your preferred style. This AI will build a personalized site for you in seconds. Once ADI has done its work, you'll have a beautifully designed starting point. Now it's time to customize. Tap on any element, text, images, buttons. To edit them, you can change the wording, swap out photos from Wix's vast library or your own device, and adjust colors or fonts to truly make it your own. Need to add more content? Tap the plus icon to explore different sections and elements. You can easily add contact forms, image galleries, social media feeds, and so much more, all with a few taps. Before you launch, always switch to preview mode. This lets you see exactly how your site will look on different devices. Once you're happy with everything, simply tap the publish button. Congratulations, your mobile-friendly Wix website is now live. So get started today and build your dream website on the go with Wix.